Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Expedia coupons. So in order to do that, first of all launch Expedia application. Now once you come here, make sure that you are signed in to your account. Now tap on the option of account at the bottom right. With that you'll come to this page. Now tap on the option of coupons. Here we go. Now let's wait for some time until the page is loading. With that, you'll come to this page where you can see your active coupons. As in my case, I don't have any active coupons in my account at the moment. I am not able to see the coupons on this page. Now, what you can do is you can tap on the option of how to use coupons. Then after that, you will be led to this page. You can see various details about how you can simply and easily use your coupons on Expedia. So that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.